Hello everybody, welcome. It's Qinchengda from Shumatt, China. Today we want to introduce you one of our valve assembly. Let's take a look. Firstly, we see the BCI anti-rust bag, and here this is the product SKU. By the way, I want to mention that for the product label, the logo, or the packages, etc., we can support a customized service. That's the plastic bottles we used to avoid some damages during the transportation, and you can roll it. The oil paper. You can look at this valve assembly. Actually, for this whole valve assembly, we're not only selling the whole one, we also selling the separate one. Like this kind of valve cap, and there is the coating figures, and this is the valve rod. Here I have several tips I want to share with you. The first is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The third tip is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. The third tip is if you want to clean it with the oil. And also, we supply with 6 months warranty time. In this period, if you're not satisfied with the quality, we can return or exchange it. So much for that. And actually, any details, if you want to know, please send us by the comments or just send us by the messages. We have our connect with, choose one way, feel free to contact us. So much for today. Let's see you next time. Bye-bye.